Oh, here. Wait. Where is it? This is 15. Oh, it's down there.
This your Monday morning anthem. Alarm clock throwing tantrum.
It's bright. Nice.
Oh my god, it's so bright.
Oh, it's a pretty nice view.
Where are we?
The Parliament.
Ooh, that's a nice view.
It's cool.
Later that same evening.
Oh, here is our room.
Oh, this is what it looks like.
So
Taking my shoe.
this is the door, and then on the right of the door there's this closet. It opens up like this, and then to the right there is this washroom. Here's the washroom. It's pretty decent. It has some textured walls, a mirror, pretty good lighting here too. And then right across from it, there's this little, wait, what are these called? Like what, breakfast nook? I don't know what it's called, I forgot, but this little breakfast area or whatever. Coffee maker. There's these 3 little drawers with nothing in them. And then there's a fridge, mini fridge. There's nothing in but water. So this is the little breakfast area, and then this is the closet, the door, and then this is the washroom, which has a cool sliding door. So that's cool. It doesn't lock though, so. But yeah, we have the little desk area, and we got a mirror as well. And yeah, that's basically it for this area. Then there's 2 beds here, don't mind the socks. So this is my bed, and my sister's on the other bed, which is like right here. And then
It's a pretty small room.
this is the little lamp area. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And then this big TV, and don't mind all the jewelry. My sister had to lay them all out because she didn't want them to be tangled up. But there's also this little safe area, this little bench thing that rolls around. Also, this TV is pretty cool because it can move as well, which is cool. And then these 2 little chairs. Here the window, here the bed, and here is our view. Canal is right there. Can't really see because it's nighttime, but you could see people skate on there. There's 2 people on it right now. Right there. It's literally downtown. It's so busy during the day, but it's just like calm right now. So yeah, we also still have some Christmas lights up even though it's February. Yeah, that's basically it for this room. I'd say my favorite part of this room is the view.
Me too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, basically the view. We stayed at another hotel for free too in January, which was a lot nicer than this one because this one's a lot smaller. The other one was like super spacious. Like,
I mean, it doesn't matter.
like this looks pretty spacious, right?
But
And
it was new.
it was new too, and the TV at the other hotel, you can like watch Netflix and YouTube and everything, so that was a plus. But yeah, basically
You said you should add some clips.
there's also a little painting or picture of the Riddle locks, a picture of some leaves. Yeah, they do look like leaves. A picture of more leaves.
Later.
It's like 9 p.m. so I'm pretty tired. I'm probably just gonna work on my schoolwork now. I don't want to do my schoolwork, so I'm filming instead. What am I filming?
Wait, what?
I'm filming instead. Right now it is 9:54 p.m. and I don't want to do my schoolwork. Oh, now it's 10 and I still haven't done my schoolwork. That's due in about an hour. Should I have some gum? I kind of want to pull an all-nighter to see if there's still cars around at like 4 a.m. because we're like downtown, you know?
The next day.
Guys, I have a picture. You do right here, yeah. This hotel has a basketball court and a squash court, which is pretty cool. but we have to bring our own basketball. So yeah. We had some free breakfast. The breakfast buffet was pretty good. Now I'm just lying down while watching One Day at a Time. I would watch it on the screen, but they don't have Netflix, so I have to watch it on this laptop. But yeah.
How's business?
Not great. Oh, a customer. Catch you later, neighbor. Hi.
I'm living like I got so many chances. I forgot I only had one. It could be worse, I got it so good. Always showing up in my hood. I don't wanna be the one who